Welcome to Miss English!
Hello and welcome back, everyone, and a very warm, smiling welcome to Miss English, the place where we do not just memorize English rules but actually live the language in our daily conversations, emotions, and real life situations. I hope you all are having a beautiful day because here in our city, the weather is slightly cloudy, a little breezy, and honestly, it feels like the perfect day to sit with a cup of tea and learn something powerful together. Before we begin today's amazing discussion, don't forget to subscribe to Miss English because this is the channel where modern English meets real life and where learning becomes natural, confident, and expressive.
Have a good day, Adibasha, and hello everyone listening to us right now. The weather truly feels refreshing today, and I was just thinking how we naturally use tenses even while talking about the weather without realizing it, which makes today's topic super exciting and practical. And yes, guys, seriously, subscribe to Miss English right now because we are about to break down English in such a friendly and simple way that you will start using it immediately after this podcast.
So today, Ariz Khan, we are discussing something that many students fear but actually use every single day without noticing, the three main tenses: present, past, and future. We will not make it boring or too grammatical. Instead, we'll talk like normal human beings who smile, laugh, and sometimes even say oops when we make mistakes. And in between our conversation, we will show how these tenses work naturally in daily life.
Exactly, Adibasha, because tenses are not just rules in books. They are the way we express time, emotions, plans, memories, and dreams. When I say, I am sitting here, that is present. When I say, I woke up early today, that becomes past. And when I say, I will prepare better next time, that turns into future. See, it already sounds so simple and practical.
Let's start with present tense because that is what we are using right now while speaking. When I say we record podcasts every week, I'm describing a routine. And when I say I feel excited, I'm expressing a current emotion, which makes present tense extremely important for daily conversations. Present tense helps us talk about habits, feelings, facts, and ongoing actions in a very natural way.
Yes, and for example, I can say, I drink tea every morning, which shows a habit, or I am drinking tea right now, which shows an action happening at this exact moment. The difference between simple present and present continuous becomes clear when we pay attention to time expressions like every day or right now. Oops, sometimes students mix them up, but with practice it becomes easy.
Now let's move to past tense, which we use when we talk about yesterday, last week, or even childhood memories that make us smile or sometimes feel emotional. For example, I can say, I visited my grandmother last Sunday, and instantly you understand that this action is finished. Past tense allows us to share stories, experiences, and lessons from life.
That's true, Adibasha. And I can say, I studied hard for my exam, or we watched a movie last night. And both clearly show completed actions. When we add words like yesterday, ago, or last year, it becomes even clearer that we are talking about the past. Yeah, storytelling becomes powerful when we use past tense correctly because it makes our experiences come alive.
Now let's talk about the future, which honestly feels hopeful and exciting because it is about plans, promises, and hopes. When I say I will improve my English, I'm making a promise to myself. And when I say we are going to upload another episode soon, I'm sharing a planned action. Future tense gives direction and motivation.
Absolutely. And I can say, I will call you tomorrow, or I am going to start exercising next week. And both show intention but in slightly different ways. Sometimes will is used for instant decisions, while going to shows prior planning, and understanding this small difference can make your English sound more confident. Oh gosh, these little details truly matter when speaking fluently.
If we combine all three tenses in one natural conversation, we might say, I woke up early today, I'm working on my goals right now, and I will relax in the evening. See how beautifully time flows from past to present to future in just one sentence. This is exactly how real conversations happen in daily life.
Yes, and when you practice like this, you stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. That is why we always say subscribe to Miss English, because here we do not just teach grammar rules, we train your mind to speak naturally and confidently. Learning English should feel like talking to a friend, not like solving a math equation.
So today we learned that present tense talks about now and routines, past tense talks about completed actions and memories, and future tense talks about plans and hopes. If you start observing your own daily conversations, you will notice that you already use these tenses all the time. You just need to polish and organize them.
And before we end, once again, subscribe to Miss English because this channel is not just about English. It's about confidence, communication, and expressing your true personality without fear. We are here every week to make learning simple, modern, and meaningful.
Thank you so much for listening with your beautiful attention and positive energy. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember that fluency comes step by step with patience and consistency.
See you in the next episode of Miss English.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Miss English.